Startling new numbers for parents tonight. Whooping cough numbers are already on the rise this year, and public health officials are sounding the alarm. So far this year, there have been more than 100 cases in Connecticut. To put that into perspective here, last year we saw just 11 cases all year, so already really high. Especially concerning for pediatricians because most kids in Connecticut haven't gone back to school yet. State health officials are reminding parents to make sure their kids are up to date on vaccines and to avoid serious illness.
Particularly close family contacts of infants is where we have also seen that there could be cases and where we want to make sure people are up to date in the vaccine. So, for example, if you have an older child who might be delayed in their vaccination, let's say of their 4 to 6 year old immunization, and then you have a new child in the family, we really want to make sure that all these kids are vaccinated so that you can protect that infant as much as possible.
Symptoms of whooping cough include cough and a runny nose that progressively gets worse, and they last several weeks. And for babies, as she mentioned there, whooping cough is considered very serious.